Bees have always fascinated people with their industrious nature, unique behaviors, and the vital role they play in the natural world. Known for their ability to produce honey and serve as pollinators, bees are a crucial component of ecosystems worldwide. Found across diverse environments, from lush forests and meadows to urban gardens, bees have adapted to a wide range of habitats, showcasing their incredible versatility. Although they may seem like simple creatures, bees are highly organized and possess remarkable skills that allow them to survive and thrive in various climates and regions. With over 20,000 species, bees are incredibly diverse, each type having unique characteristics that contribute to their role in the ecosystem. This vast variety allows them to adapt to different environmental conditions and pollinate a range of plants, making them invaluable not only to natural biodiversity but also to human agriculture and food production. Among the many types of bees, honeybees stand out as some of the most recognized and valued species. Known scientifically as Apis mellifera, honeybees are particularly essential for agriculture, as they are responsible for pollinating many crops that form the backbone of our food supply. The honeybee is unique in its ability to produce honey, a sweet, nutritious substance that has been cherished by humans for thousands of years. These bees live in highly organized colonies where each member plays a distinct role, from the queen who lays eggs, to the worker bees that forage and maintain the hive, and the drones whose sole purpose is to mate with the queen. The complex social structure of honeybees enables them to work in harmony, ensuring the survival and productivity of the colony. Another notable bee is the bumblebee, easily recognized by its large, furry body and slow, deliberate flight. Bumblebees are exceptional pollinators, particularly for plants in cooler climates where other bees may struggle. Their unique buzzing technique, known as buzz pollination, helps release pollen from certain types of flowers, making them indispensable for crops such as tomatoes and peppers. Wasp-like bees, often part of the Vespidae family, also play a vital role in the ecosystem, though they tend to be more solitary and territorial. Lastly, stingless bees, as their name suggests, lack stingers, which makes them less aggressive and safer to interact with. These bees are commonly found in tropical regions and are known for nesting in hollow trees and other sheltered areas. Beyond their ability to produce honey, bees are among the most important pollinators in the world. Pollination is a critical process that enables plants to reproduce by transferring pollen from one flower to another. This act not only supports the health of natural ecosystems by ensuring plant diversity but also sustains food chains that rely on these plants. Without bees, many plant species would struggle to reproduce, leading to declines in both flora and fauna that depend on these plants for food and shelter. In agricultural settings, bees play a similarly crucial role by helping pollinate many of the crops that humans rely on for sustenance. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and even coffee are just a few examples of the foods that benefit from bee pollination. As bees go about their daily task of foraging, they inadvertently carry pollen between plants, facilitating the growth of these crops and contributing to global food security. This connection underscores the importance of bees not just to biodiversity but also to human life, as the survival of many food sources is closely tied to the well-being of bee populations. The social organization of bee colonies is both intricate and efficient, allowing them to survive and prosper as a collective. At the core of each colony is the queen bee, whose primary function is to lay eggs and ensure the continuity of the hive. Worker bees, which are female but unable to reproduce, take on various roles within the hive. They are responsible for tasks such as foraging for nectar and pollen, building and cleaning the hive, and producing wax to create honeycomb cells. These cells are used to store honey, pollen, and larvae, organized in a way that maximizes space and strength. The structure of the hive is highly efficient, with honeycomb cells arranged in a hexagonal pattern that optimizes the use of wax and provides a sturdy framework. Male bees, known as drones, have one main function: to mate with the queen. This organized division of labor within the colony is essential for its survival, as each bee's role contributes to the well-being of the hive as a whole. The cooperation among colony members and their ability to communicate through dances and pheromones highlight the complexity of bee societies, which have evolved over millions of years to function in harmony. One of the most remarkable aspects of bee behavior is their ability to produce honey, a process that has intrigued and benefited humans for centuries. Honey is created when worker bees collect nectar from flowers, which they then store in their special stomachs. Upon returning to the hive, they regurgitate the nectar and pass it to other worker bees who add enzymes to it, breaking down the complex sugars. Through repeated regurgitation and evaporation, the nectar is eventually transformed into honey. This process requires precise conditions and a significant amount of effort, as bees must visit hundreds of flowers to gather enough nectar. Honey serves as a food source for the colony, providing energy and nutrients that sustain the bees through times when flowers are scarce. For humans, honey is more than just a sweet treat. It has been valued for its medicinal properties, including its ability to soothe sore throats, boost the immune system, and act as an antioxidant. This golden liquid is a testament to the ingenuity of bees and their importance to human culture and health. Despite the vital role bees play, they face numerous threats in the modern world that jeopardize their survival. Habitat loss due to urban expansion, agriculture, and deforestation is one of the primary challenges, as it reduces the availability of flowers and nesting sites that bees need to survive. Pesticides, commonly used in farming, pose another significant risk as these chemicals can be toxic to bees, contaminating their food sources and harming entire colonies. Additionally, climate change is altering the natural rhythms of flowering plants, affecting the availability of food for bees. In some areas, warmer temperatures are causing flowers to bloom earlier than expected, disrupting the synchrony between bees and the plants they rely on. The decline in bee populations has raised alarm among scientists and conservationists, as the loss of these pollinators could have far-reaching consequences for biodiversity, agriculture, and food security. Efforts to protect bees are becoming increasingly important as their populations continue to decline. Conservationists and researchers are working to create bee-friendly habitats by planting native flowers and reducing pesticide use. Public awareness campaigns are also helping people understand the importance of bees and encouraging them to make choices that support bee populations. Beekeeping has become a popular way to aid in bee conservation, providing bees with a safe environment where they can thrive and continue to pollinate local flora. In urban areas, the development of rooftop gardens and green spaces is helping create new habitats for bees, fostering biodiversity in otherwise dense and concrete-filled environments. Governments and environmental organizations around the world are advocating for policies that protect bees, recognizing that their survival is integral to the health of ecosystems and human communities alike. By supporting these initiatives, we can help create a sustainable future where bees and humans coexist in harmony. Bees are more than just insects buzzing around flowers. They are a fundamental part of the natural world, performing a service that sustains countless plant species and, by extension, many animal populations. Their work as pollinators supports the ecosystems we depend on, and their honey production offers a glimpse into their complex behaviors and social structures. Although bees face significant challenges in today's changing world, efforts to protect and conserve them give hope for the future. Understanding the importance of bees and taking steps to support their populations can help ensure that these remarkable creatures continue to thrive. The story of bees serves as a reminder of the beauty and interconnectedness of nature, inspiring us to appreciate and safeguard the world we share. By valuing and protecting bees, we are investing in the health and resilience of our planet for generations to come.